run him, or do you need an ID?
I don't have his ID. I just got up here.
You're not getting my ID. We ain't committed a crime.
You're going to be detained until I can identify you.
This video comes to you by way of Christopher Landrum's channel. I'm going to read to you a comment that was on that video. The homeless ℍ𝕬𝔼, who is actually a longtime supporter of mine, he writes, "Do you have RAS, reasonable articulable suspicion?" And the cop says, "Yeah, we got a call. A random phone call by a random person who could be lying is reasonable articulable suspicion? Get the fuck out of here. A phone call is not reasonable." And Christopher Landrum responds with, "Thank you for the support. I didn't expect 3 cops to roll up. Me and my little brother had 1 beer. We went to smoke, got surrounded by 3 cops. I turned my video right on after that." And this is where the video begins.
Pushing.
Yeah.
Pushing.
Were you?
No.
Is everything good?
Yeah. Everything's great. This is my little brother. Don't roll up on me and talk about...
I'll roll up wherever I need to, sir.
Okay, but you have laws and regulations.
Right.
What's your name and badge number?
That's what we're doing.
What's your name and badge number now?
You can see it. And
no, I can't. Is that what you tell the judge?
Now.
You tell the judge you can see it?
I don't need to tell you anything.
What's your name and badge number? No, bro. Name and badge number right now.
Do you have to run him, or do you need an ID?
I don't have his ID. I just got up here.
You're not getting my ID. We ain't committed a crime.
You're going to be detained until I can identify you.
So you're going to violate my 4th Amendment?
Nope. That's not 4th Amendment.
For what?
Until I can identify you. You're being aggressive.
I'm not. Your officer rolled up on me.
We were good.
We're not going to fight.
I'm sorry.
We were good. There was.
Do you have an ID in your pocket?
There was no shoving.
You're not getting it.
This is what we get when we give cops a gun and a badge and we don't force them to know the Constitution that they actually swear an oath to. In reality, folks, every cop out there right now is a potential lawsuit waiting to happen. Reason being, cops don't know the oath they swear to. They say they swear an oath to the Constitution to defend it and protect it, but every single day they're violating someone's rights. Right here, this cop is violating this man's 4th Amendment right, and you're not going to believe what this cop just says, and it proves my point.
You're violating my 4th Amendment right. Chad, record it. Record it. You're violating my 4th Amendment. 4th Amendment. 4th Amendment.
Doesn't even make sense.
You have no fucking reason to violate my rights like that.
How much more proof do we the people need that these cops don't know the 4th Amendment, the 1st Amendment, the people's natural rights? This cop just said that the 4th Amendment doesn't make any sense to him. If he would have known what the 4th Amendment was, he wouldn't be harassing and detaining this man.
I didn't commit a crime. You don't have reasonable articulable suspicion. Turn the camera around on me.
Pull it up.
Do you have reasonable articulable suspicion?
We were called here, dude. I told you that.
And I gave you everything you needed to know. My brother just now told you.
I'm glad he's all right. Okay?
Do you have reasonable articulable suspicion to reach into my pocket?
Yeah, to get your identification.
Okay, what reason do you need to identify me? What crime did I commit? Chad, point that phone at me. Okay, but that's not a crime. I'm relaxed. I was relaxed until you fucking grabbed me.
You're relaxed.
I'm relaxed. But you grabbed me up without no provocation. You violated my 4th Amendment right.
I did not violate.
You are gonna be a fucking superstar on fucking YouTube.
Christopher Landrum is exactly right, folks. This guy is gonna be a star on YouTube. You see, even though I have over 500,000 subscribers, I do respond to emails, and Christopher Landrum has reached out to me before. So he has my contact, and whenever he wants to highlight this cop acting like an idiot, all he has to do is reach out to me. I will respond.
I didn't commit no crime.
So why did we get called here if you guys...
I don't know. We wasn't pushing and fighting and arguing. Chris. You violated my fucking rights just now. Yes, I'm loud.
Is there anything that you could have been doing that could have been misconstrued?
No!
Just having a, I mean...
We had a verbal conversation.
It's not an argument.
But I mean, like, is there... Listen, you guys were joking around or something?
I mean, I'm going through some shit in my head, and he's just trying to get it out of me, and I'm being a fucking
I'm his big fucking brother.
Stop.
You violated my rights just now. You snatched me up. I want a sergeant.
Okay, I'm a lieutenant.
You're a lieutenant?
You want to talk to me for a second? Okay. You're temporarily detained.
For what reason?
Okay. Well, I just got here. So what
okay. What's your RAS?
Just to answer some of his questions.
Reasonable articulable.
When we get called here, we have to go by what we
violate my 4th Amendment.
I don't know what we're being told.
No. Hang on.
But when someone says there's two guys maybe about to fight, we have to come and be prepared for that's what it is. If we come here and we find out that it's a buddy, that we're messing around, it's a big misunderstanding, then it's a big misunderstanding.
To throw me up against the fucking wall.
But I have to at least identify you.
He didn't I got it all on video.
I have to put my police report.
No, I'm pissed off.
I talked to you, I talked to you. It was a big mistake, blah, blah, blah.
Let me talk to him so I can get some answers, okay?
You're violating my 4th Amendment. He threw me up against a fucking wall and put me in handcuffs. Bullshit, okay. I got it on video, you fucking punk.
So do we.
Yeah,
and I'm telling you, stop yelling.
You're violating my 4th Amendment.
Nobody is. Chill out.
You came up here with no reasonable articulable...
we did. We were called here.
Okay,
called 911.
You called for an investigation. Do you have physical proof of anything?
Dude, will you chill the fuck out?
No, fuck that. They violated my 4th Amendment.
You're about to go to jail, so...
It's Chad, right?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Hey, everyone. I just wanted to come up on here and make this real quick video. I've got some good material coming based off of a New York Times article. The main reason for this video is because I want to give 2 mad shouts out. One, to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I've recently had an influx of subscribers. I'm up to 100 subscribers now, and it's all due to the fact that San Joaquin Valley Transparency keeps referring people to my channel. Mad shout out, brother. I've been following you for several years now. Mad shout out to you. And a mad shout out to everybody who's recently followed me. I'm just now starting to learn this whole YouTube channel, and I'm doing everything off my phone. So keep subscribing. I'll keep the content coming as much as possible, but I do work and I do have a wife and kid that I take care of. This is not a job for me. I'm not getting monetary gain. I'm not getting anything off of this. All I'm getting is the pleasure of education for the public.
All right, let me point out exactly what I saw in this video. First and foremost, this cop's phone was blocking his name that's on his uniform. And the cop says, you can see it, right? Can't you? This is the level of stupidity with the amount of tax dollars that we pay. So you mean to tell me Christopher Landrum can't go enjoy a beer, walk outside and smoke a cigarette without being harassed by cops in that town? How bored are those cops in that town? Bad cops create great activists, folks. That is without a doubt. What I like to do is highlight your channels, help your channels blow up. I send you guys support. I don't mind sharing my subscribers with you. There's enough on YouTube to go around for everyone, folks. Something I understood a long time ago. And believe me, I've already made mine. I want to make sure that all you activists out there put bread on your tables. But don't just do it for the bread. Do it to hold your government accountable. That's the important thing. Many folks want to get in this to be jackoffs, but not Christopher Landrum. The cops are pushing him to become an activist. He has no choice but to pull out his phone and record every time cops confront him. And that's what you guys should be doing as well. You don't have to become an activist to record police. You don't even have to start a channel. If you want to stay anonymous, just let us know. We can do that for you. We've done it before for several folks. We will not give up our sources, and that is a promise. And keep reaching out to us, folks. We try to respond to you guys. Eventually, we will get to you. Make sure you leave as much information as possible. Names, badge number, city, department. That way we can include that into the video. I will be dropping Christopher Landrum's original channel link in the description and in the pinned comment. Make sure you guys go subscribe and say hello. I'm also going to look for department information. That way I can include that for you guys, so you guys can redress your grievances if you have to or if you feel the need to. These cops absolutely violated this man's 4th Amendment right. This man has the right to be secure in his papers, persons, and effects. But not when these cops come around. These cops lied when they said that they swore an oath to the Constitution. In my opinion, that invalidates them. We need cops out there knowing and actually protecting the Constitution and the rights of the people. With that being said, I want to thank you all for tuning in. Know your rights, folks. Because if you don't know your rights, you don't have any rights. And cops are not going to tell you what your rights are. And the judges will rule against you if you don't know what your rights are. All right, folks, always record the police. See you on the next one. Peace.